Okay, so this is Christiana, and I'm in Germany at Yellow Tools. And Christiana came to me and asked me, how do I become more efficient? How do I organize myself? So we're going to break down a process that she's doing and see if we can improve it. So go ahead, Christiana, show me what you're doing. Okay, so she puts that on there and she spreads it a little bit. Now she goes and gets the label that she has to put on there, a little calibrated scale. So the question is, can you see the waist? So you see she's struggling here to line this up, and then she has to squeegee one way, and see she makes a couple motions with the squeegee both directions. She's still working on alignment, so it's still kind of a struggle. And then she has to wipe it, and she's kind of wiping it a couple times here and kind of looking at it and inspecting it, and then she's done. Okay, 46 seconds. That's what the current state is. Let's try it again. Let's see what happens. Got the stopwatch going. This time, one pump, not 2 or 3 pumps, so we eliminated the over-processing. Now she's going to get that on there, and we're still going to probably struggle with the alignment. That seems to be a big time consumer there. Remember, we're taking a process that was about 46 seconds, and we're trying to get it down. The alignment seems to be a big issue. Squeegee a couple times, both directions, lots of motion. Okay, now we're going to clean it off. And then done and stop. 36 seconds. So we eliminated several pumps and we're down to 36 seconds. Stopwatch is going and we're going to try to improve it. One pump. Get the sticker. You can see she's struggling with the stickers a little bit. We definitely need to work on that. There's some time there. Then here comes that alignment issue again. That's crazy. All right. One squeegee. Back. Not multiple squeegees this time. Wipe with the cloth. And done. 23 seconds. Amazing. Christiana, good, hey? Yeah, pretty good. Sehr gut. Now we're going to do something a little different. We're going to try to deal with the alignment. We got one pump. We got the sticker. And now we're going to hold a little fence up there so it aligns perfectly and she's not struggling. One squeegee that way, one squeegee that way. Pick it up. Wipe it off. And 17 seconds. Wow, crazy good. Now we're going to do something a little different. Now we're going to just have a piece of material there that helps align it so nobody has to hold anything. I'm going to put that there. Now we're struggling just a little bit. 1, 2. Pick it up. You notice she's struggling to pick it up. And Ralph noticed this. What's our time? 23 seconds. So not quite as fast, but we kind of struggled with this right here. So let's fix that. Here comes the fix. We're going to tape the part in place. Just like that. Look at this. So now she doesn't have to mess with that anymore. All right? All right, we ready to start? Here we go. Let's go. Part goes down. One pump. Not multiple pumps. No moving the fluid around because that was over processing and waste. Now the sticker moves up into position, easily aligns, pushes one way, pushes the other way, and away we go. And let's look at our time. 18 seconds. So Ralph has an idea. What should we do, Ralph?
Ja, können die Sachen weiter hier vorne hinschieben und damit man besser
Oh, so it's easy to pick up?
aufheben kann.
No, not difficult. Okay, let's try it. Let's see what happens. Let's go. One pump, no moving the fluid, that was over processing. Move the label right into position with the side fingers, swipe one time up, one time back, pick it up easily, no struggle, wipe it off, put it down, 16 seconds. So we shaved about a second off. We're doing pretty good now. So what else could we do? Okay, so we're doing it again now, and this time we've added arrows to the stickers over there, which allow her to identify exactly where the corners are so she's not fumbling too much. Strokes one way, the other way, wipes it off, and 17 seconds. So very good, and we've eliminated the fumbling. Now I say easily we get this to 10 seconds. So let's keep going and see if we can get it to 10 seconds. Okay, so we're making the jig a little better. We're going to have side alignment now, as well as top alignment. Okay, let's go. Okay, so the sticker comes off quick and easy. That pushes to the corner. The squeegee comes over. Push, push, pull it off, wipe. 16 seconds. So a little bit getting ready. We made some more changes. Go. So this time we have the raw material just to the right of her. She's not reaching anymore. The sticker goes in. We have a side reference up, and the finished product goes right to the left of her instead of reaching forward. Much more simple. 13 seconds. Haha, you did it, man. Okay, we're 3 seconds away from our goal, from 46 seconds to 10 seconds. Wow. Here. Good job, man. That is amazing.
Das andere ist ja vielleicht, bevor du das machst,
Alles
einmal,
anknicken.
einmal und wenn du dann nimmst, dann brauchst du nur zack
Ja.
drauf und
Ja.
fertig. Ne?
So they're working as a team to solve the problem. So we're going to try one more. Einmal. Okay, one more. So are we ready for another one or not quite yet? Another one. Okay, go.
Okay.
Look at the distance she traveled on that one. Barely anything. Remember, we were pumping multiple times, spreading stuff, fumbling around with everything. Everything aligns left and right. You pull it up, wipe it off, put it down. 12 seconds. Another second. So 10 seconds is totally attainable here, just with a little bit of work. You did a great job, Cristiano. Awesome job, you guys. Way to go.